For this discussion, we're doing reinforcement gone wrong. Scenario 1. The reason I believe the teacher's plan is not working is because she removed the intervention too fast. It was starting to work, and then she just decided that they had learned and that she could just go back to the way things were. So I believe that's why it's not working. And something that I like to use that I think works well is little cards that just say permission to make maybe 1 or 2 on topic comments or ask 1 or 2 questions. And the only reason why I'm saying 1 or 2 is because it would depend on the amount of time in the class. I mean, if you're in class for 40 minutes, I believe they need to be allowed to make, more than 1. But if it was only like a discussion about 10 minutes, then 1 question would be appropriate. So I think it would just depend on how long the class chunk is. For scenario 2, so after reading this one, I feel like the reason the teacher's plan is not working is because she just gives up and doesn't continue with the follow through. And I just think she could revisit her data and just continue doing the intervention of planned ignoring. For scenario 3, I believe that the reason this plan is not working is because, sorry, I'm looking at my notes here. The students they're tired of the same reward of eating the fish crackers. So while that might have worked for a couple of days, I think she needs to change it up. So she could either go revisit the student preference assessment if she already did this, or if she has not done this, then that would be something that she would need to look at doing so she can figure out other things the students like besides the fish crackers. And for scenario 4, I think it sounds like the student's kind of just by himself, like looking and then just not engaged. So maybe with this one, I would pull the student in and have a conference with them and talk to him about it. And maybe even give him an assessment, but interact with him during this time. And so that's about it. Thank you.